Today, I'm going to show you how you can make a stunning headband using gold leaves and pearl beads. So here's what you're going to learn in this step-by-step tutorial. First, I'll teach you how to combine pearls and wire to create decorative branches. Then I'll show you how to attach them to gold leaf charms and how to secure them to a headband. And finally, you'll learn how to make sure the decorations won't move around on the headband. So here's how to make branches for your headpiece. Take your 26 gauge wire and thread two 6mm pearl beads onto it. Then take three 4mm pearls and thread them onto it too. Let's get started by measuring 15 centimeters from the beginning of the wire and bending it there. Slide the first 4mm bead to it and twist the wire until it's about 1.5 centimeters in length. Now bring the next 4mm bead down the wire and turn the bead around, leaving enough space for 0.5 centimeter of twisted wire. Keep in mind you're making a branch that's kind of triangular in shape. Leave the same 0.5 centimeter distance before each offshoot of the branch. Add a 4mm bead right on the other side and twist the wire, leaving 0.5 centimeter space between it and the stem of the branch. Twist the wire until it's about 0.5 centimeter in length. Then add a 6mm bead and make sure you have enough room to twist the wire until it's about 0.5 centimeter in length. Before the final offshoot of the branch, twist the wire once again until it's 0.5 centimeter long. Finally, slide the last 6mm bead down the wire, just like you did on the other side of the branch, and twist the wire. Cut the wire off the spool with your side cutters. Now repeat the process. You'll need 10 branches in total for the headpiece. Now let's attach them to the leaf charms. These leaves have loops which you're going to use to attach the branches on. You're also going to use these little loops to help you secure them to the headband later in the process. Wrap the wire through the loop several times, making sure to thread each wire in the opposite direction from each other to ensure that the branch is firmly attached to the leaf charm. We're going to attach 5 of the branches on the left side of the charms and the other 5 branches on the right side. So in total, you'll have 10 charms with half of them decorated with pearls on the left side and the other half decorated on the right side. Now I'll show you how you can attach the branches to the headband. Start by getting your 24 gauge wire and cutting about 100 centimeters of it. Continue by wrapping one end of the wire around the headband several times before positioning one of the leaf charms onto it. The first charm has pearls on the left side of it. Like mentioned, you can use the existing loops on the charms to secure them in place. Wrap the wire tightly around the headband multiple times to secure it in place. Then take one of the charms with pearls on the right side and place that at the end of the first charm, slightly overlapping it for a layered effect. Keep wrapping the wire tightly around the headband and the charm. Continue alternating sides of the headband for a balanced design. Be careful when pulling the wire through the loops, so you don't get any kinks in the wire. Pull some of the wire through, then stop and make sure the wire is straight before continuing to pull it through again. Continue positioning the charms with pearls on alternating sides of the headband, making sure your design is evenly spaced. When you get to the end, wrap the remaining wire around the headband several times. Then snip off the excess wire with your side cutters and press the end down with your chain nose pliers. And finally, here's how to make sure the decorations won't move around on the headband. Using a strong, transparent glue like E6000 or B7000. Apply dots of it to the points where the charms connect with the headband. Leave the glue to dry for at least 24 hours before using the headband, ensuring it's properly cured. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.